Hello guys, welcome to my channel Python Ocr. Today I have brought another session on extracting text from an image file. Normally if you see, like, if you scan any documents, so that will be scanned in any image format. So how do we extract the text from that particular scanned doc? So that is very easily done with the help of Python program. Normally for doing this you need to install a model called Pi Tesseract. Pi Tesseract, what it does is, like, it just recognize and read the text present in the images. Along with the Pi Tesseract, the pillow model will also get installed. The pillow model, what it will do is, like, it will create and manipulate the digital images. So whatever the images we will be passing through, it will manipulate that. So pillow is used for manipulating the digital image. So now let us import the modules, that is Pi Tesseract. Import sp1, turning it short. So now what you need to do is, like, this module is not installed by default with the Python installer. So go to command prompt and do the installation. pip3 install Pi Tesseract. Okay. In my system I have already installed this, so it will show us, like, the file is already available, this setup is already available, so it will now install. And once you're done with this, what you need to do is, like, you need to install the Pi Tesseract Ocr. This particular application you need to install. So this link will be available in my description box, so please go to that and download this exe file from there. Okay. So also, so what are the supported files? So once I have downloaded that exe file, so it will show already satisfied, so I'm closing it down. So once the this module is being installed, so particular folder, that is site packages, Python site Pi Tesseract, and if I open this, so these are the supported files which will be used to extract the text from those image formats. So this is how you can do. So this is the site package scripts, classes, modules, everything is available here. So now once you have downloaded this exe file, just install it, and the installer will be located in your C drive, that is your program files. So this is your application, Tesseract exe. Okay, here. Now let me start writing the scripts. Okay. So once I'm importing this Pi Tesseract py, then from pil import image. Since I'm dealing with the image, so I need to open an image file. So this is what I will be using for opening an image file. Okay. So now let me start this Tesseract Ocr exe file. So how I'm going to do is, like, if you see this pytesseract.py, where we have a command prompt option, so let me go and do that. So py.tesseract command line equal to, so where is my file, where is tesseract.exe? Okay, this one. Okay. Now next, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the image file. Image file equal to image dot open. So this image file, so if you see, like, test.jpg, this is an image file, so I'm going to extract the text from this particular image file. So this particular file is located in my in my script path, that is file1.py path, so I'm not going to put any paths, so just I will be directly going with the file name jpg. So I put this format. Okay, now next is like we have lots of class. If you go there, like we can do lots of things, like we can if you go down, we can convert to strings, we can convert to dictionaries. For this, like we can convert from image to PDF, we can convert from image to string. So we need this, since we are converting from image to text, so we need to use this. Okay, file, so I will say like output equal to pi dot image to string. File comma image.file, and okay, else if you want specific language you can mention that also, but in my case image.file, if I don't want to mention a language, so it will be in English only. Print output. So such a simple script, some 5-liner scripts to convert an image file sorry, not convert, for extracting the text from an image file. So let me run the script. I think from PIL. Okay, I think it should be small. Oh, sorry. Yep. If you see the contents in the image file, title, the name of the book, magazine, or chapter. You can see the name of the book, magazine, or chapter. Titles tell the reader the topic. So this is how, like, if you see like the images, the text from the image has been extracted. Hope you have understood the video. Please press like button, and for more videos please do subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts regarding Python scripts for this program, you can always reach out to me in my email address, that is rafiqjawed2@gmail.com. Thank you for your watching.